Hey guys, this is Al. Now, today I'm going to be doing a review of the automated income system. If you would like to learn how to set up an automated income system that makes money for you month after month after month, this is the video for you. I have been setting up automated income system for years online. This system just happens to be called the automated income system. Now, when I looked into this product and I looked into the service and the company behind it, I was like, these people actually came up with something that is right up my alley as far as the way that they have set up this automated income system. Now, the company is also called Share the Number. And I'll explain why that is. A lot of people have telephones. A lot of people want to find out about information by just calling a number, and they receive the information doing that. And the company gives you one number that you can give to people if people want to find out about how to make money with a business opportunity like this. Now, they're selling an amazing product, and that's part of what attracted me to the company. And I'll get into what that is, but let's talk about what's good about the program and actually why I decided to get involved. All right. Number one, it's like you need three parts to have a really good automated system. I've been doing online business for years, and I know that when you set up a good automated system, you should have automated marketing. You should have an automated system where you can collect payments and also customer information. And then lastly, you should have a system where you can deliver the product or service that the customer is requesting on an automated basis, basically hands-free. And what happens is your marketing should be something that does the selling and telling for you right off the bat, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Okay? So they have all of that in this system. And so let's talk about what they offer and what the product is that they're actually selling. All right, they give you different website templates that you can choose from when you sign up. But the product that they're actually selling is business opportunity leads. Basically, when you join uh, this automated income system, basically you can pick your membership level and it allows you to get business opt-in leads. Now, business opt-in leads are leads that come from people who are interested in starting a business. They're either online marketers, they're affiliate marketers, there are people who are work at home, people who want to make money on the side or side hustle people or whatever. But bottom line is they're looking for a way in which they can make money. And so this company sells leads for people who are looking to make money. Hence, that is a great place to basically market your services to, because you're selling this to basically people who are already interested in doing that or expanding their own business or so on and so forth. Now, you pick your membership levels, so you basically get in where you fit in, okay? And the other thing is that you have it set up so it's automated. So basically, they give you a website. People, you can promote that website using video, or you can use display ads, or you can use different services that they have in the back. They explain a lot of things. I'm going to actually make another video because I can't get into everything that they have in this video, but trust me when I tell you that they make it very easy for you to promote this business. Okay. And so what happens is once you do that, then it's like the back office has it all set up so that it helps you to basically build your business. All right. Now, remember I told you the last thing is that you need to be able to make sure that you get the item that you purchased delivered. So here is what's going on with that. I'm going to show you the back office. All right. So here we are. And I ordered about 10,000 leads for business opportunity leads. Got them instantly. Not a problem. Okay. And what happens is you can download these leads, you can contact people, you can do whatever you want to do. I have built like massive lists in the past with different companies I've owned, so it's not a big deal. But the point that I'm making is, if you are a person who is looking to build a list, because they say that money is in the list, and you want to shortcut that process, then this is one of the opportunities that you can get in, and you can really take a shortcut to the top on that. All right, so that's what happens now. If you would like to get some information on, or if you'd like to start, if you'd like to join, let me tell you straight out the bat, I read that there's a lot of things changing with the company. So right now, at the time of this video, you can get in on a trial basis absolutely free. All you have to do is put in the promo code automated income, no space, just automated income, and then you can sign up for free. Now, if for some reason you get in a little bit too late, or you're hearing this video a little bit too late, and you can still use that promo code, but I cannot guarantee that you can get in for the free trial, because they said that there was a lot of demand for the business, and what happens is they're basically purging the people who are just sitting. If you're not serious, then it's for people who are serious about making money, serious about business promotion, serious about doing what they need to do. All right, so that's basically what's happening with the company. All right, so all the details as far as how to get in, as far as the website link and the promo code, is going to be in the description below this video. I'm going to be making some training videos as well on how to market and promote your business, and it's specifically automated businesses, so that you can make money on an automated system. Basically, you set it up, you do the marketing for it, and then it just constantly runs and constantly brings in clients, leads, customers, and money for you. So if that's something that you're interested in, please subscribe to this channel. I'm going to be doing an intensive amount of training, and I'm going to do that training absolutely free. All right, I'll talk to you guys later, and have a great day.